Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Kraff, Prada. Official music video. Then it says Solitude, the album. So, album. Where am I going forward with name? Solitude. What's the meaning of Solitude? I think Solitude means being alone, like being alone. Yeah, something along the line of that, if I'm correct. So Solitude is the name of the album. So this one is half I'm album. Kraff, to do a live reaction to your album and forward with G. Let's jump in the one and see what go on. I receive this. I don't got to on this. I don't got to on this. Which part is this? Let's go. No, I never.
Louis and Prada. This cold card make you harder. Pens keep on the pants loop.
Swag.
Tell them so we reach out ya. One month we port ya. One month a account a flick out ya. We have killer pan belly we na flick out but
Bumbuckler. Tell them so we reach out ya. No that in a man.
Pens keep on the pants loop.
Kraff is a very talented artist, by the way. Let me just put that out there. And Kraff is one of the new artists in the new era that's doing amazing, bro. Like,
tell them so we reach out ya.
yeah.
One month we port ya. One month a account a flick out ya.
Wally.
We have killer pan belly.
What how that?
One month we port ya. One month a account a flick out ya.
How would I
One month we port ya. One month a account a flick out.
Another porn star girl is. We're in a 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 video. I see this, right?
Reach out ya. One month we port ya. One month a account a flick out ya. We have killer pan belly we na flick out but drop the Benz and get it with a chip out Glock. We have peso and pennies and chip out ya.
Yeah, the man say, drop the Benz and get it with a chip out Glock. Yeah.
Drop the Benz and get it with a chip out Glock. We have peso and pennies and chip out ya. Who a try use brain shot kick out that. Henny na me liver and a sick out that.
What try use brain shot kick out that? Say nobody feel say I go around the G and try use a little dodo brain. Me have something if you heal it. Me have something if you stop your fuckery. Your brain not bigger than them shot ya. Hold them. That is for you. Happy New Year to you too.
Yeah, who a try use brain shot kick out that. Henny na me liver and a sick out that.
Henny na the liver.
Tell me repent still a sin out ya. And me chest still a vent still a kill out ya. Penthouse down a hell even live out ya.
That's a penthouse down a hell and even live out ya. Bumbuckler.
Henny na me liver and a sick out that.
Yeah.
Mommy tell me repent still a sin out ya. And me chest still a vent still a kill out ya. Penthouse down a hell even live out ya. These lies I'm selling, Bitcoin no zelly, dead face no pennies. Panny banga panny selly, panny banga banga. How we are at Louis and Prada, this cold card make you harder. Gucci, Casablanca, check it G tag in on Nama. Penske.
Nah man. No sir. No I never. Big up. Shane Creative. Big up. No sir. No sir. Boss a chop.
This cold card make you harder. Penske on the pants loop. Tell them so we reach out ya.
Yeah.
One month we port ya. One month a account a flick out ya. We have killer pan belly we na flick out but drop the Benz and get it with a chip out Glock. We have peso and pennies and chip out ya. Who a try use brain shot kick out that. Henny na me liver and a sick out that. Mommy tell me repent, still I sin out ya. And me chest still a vent, still a kill out ya. Penthouse down a hell, even live out ya.
Now live out ya, none at all.
These lies I'm selling, Bitcoin, no zelly, dead face, no pennies. Panny banger, panny selly. Selly, dead face, no pennies. Panny banger, panny selly. Panny banger, banger, pennies. Panny banger.
Yo, I'm scared of myself, you know. I'm scared of myself. Some things when me pick up on in them video more time. I don't know. But them in that video, so I go pick them up. You see what when the boss say, brick a job. You think of money alone? Look on them brick up on the table. You think of baking soda? You think of flour? It's called the white lady for the nose.
These lies I'm selling, Bitcoin, no zelly, dead face, no pennies. Panny banger, panny selly. Panny banger, banger. And we are at Louis and Prada. The skull card make it harder. Gucci, Casablanca, check it jit tag in on armor. Penske, panny pants loop, at the tag bra, we no pop that. Louis and Prada, Louis and Prada. It's in a them pop pill, kill you now, map stick spin around, want it still around with.
It's in them with pop pill and come kill you now. Fully charged and in charge. Big up the lazy in the video where I do them.
It's in a them pop pill, kill you now, map stick spin around, want it still around with the ziggy night crown. Drift in night town, Samyan and a weed, shippy by pound. Step in night club with a million eye clothes, every killer highs out if a pussy try frown.
Bucklat. Step in night club with a million eye clothes. Easy spending. You know why I'm spending so easy? Come and get it easy. Make the game look easy. Yeah. Well, guess what? If you try frown up your face, remember say the killer them a spot out. Any man try frown, get up. Do them crown. No.
Step in a club with a million eye clothes, every killer highs out if a pussy try frown. If a pussy try frown, we fool him up alive round. Louis and Prada, the skull card make it harder. Gucci, Casablanca, check it jit tag in on armor. Penske, panny pants loop, at the tag bra, we no pop that. Louis and Prada, Louis and Prada. Pan belly anytime me vent, killer left your play shelly anytime me say panny.
Bumbo clot. Kraff always do this. Kraff second verse them a monster, brother. The first verse them bad in the dog. In a majority I'm sang them first verse them bad. But you see the second verse them, bro, the boss just stepping. It look like him just sit down and just construct him sang them like that on purpose. Like him just say, yo, man, just fuck up this and just done. You see me? Yo, man, I know that.
Penske, panny pants loop,
you're all aggressive the second verse is now.
Louis and Prada, Louis and Prada. Pan belly anytime me vent, killer left your play shelly anytime me say panny line with Jerry pan a high reasoning. Under me high pitch spice so me charge him. Panny line with Kerry say she love it chocolate. Gunman alone, yeah she love it darkness. Caught dead face, she a slap it hard dick. Louis and Prada, the skull card make it harder. Gucci, Casablanca, check it jit dog in on armor. Penske, panny pants loop, at the tag bra, we no pop that.
No.
Louis and Prada, Louis and Prada. Tell them say we reach out ya. One month we pot ya. One month a account a flip out ya. We have killer pan belly in a flick out bass. Choppy Benz and get it with a chip out that. We have peso, penny, chip out ya. Who a try use brain chat, kick out that. Penny na milli bahana sick out that. Mommy tell me repent still a sin out ya. And me chest still a vent still a kill out ya. Penthouse down a hell even live out ya.
Yo.
These lies I'm selling Bitcoin, no zelly, dead face, no pennies. Panny banger, panny selly. Panny banger, panny selly. And me a rock Gucci and Prada. Had the skull card make it harder. Penske, panny pants loop. Had the tag that we no pop bra. Gucci and Prada. I just call the card, make it harder. Tell them sorry, rich out ya. One month. One month. Sin.
Yo, we've all watched. Stop. Manners, man. We all watch Kraff grown so much in our eyes, bro. Like, the youth just get better and better until he master him craft, yo. Let me just say something. I want big up the now generation. I'm not gonna say young generation. I'm gonna say the now generation. Big up the now generation of musicians in Jamaica. Not only the musicians, big up the production teams. People like No or Never. People like Shane Creative. You see me? What the next youth name, man? Cam something. King Cam. Big up King Cam. Yeah. Big up them youth that we have put out the work, bro. Like, the quality of these videos, the ideas behind these videos. You might see the video in 2-3 minutes and think, nice video. It's a lot of work goes behind these, man. So big up on yourself, yo. Kraff, big up yourself, my fam. You are definitely one of the front runners for the new school, bro. No generation. All eyes is on you, bro. People are watch what you put out. People are watch. You see me? You have well wishers and you have pussies out there, bro. But the greatest thing is you focus and you're not taking a chat from no boy. You understand? So I like the unity with the no generation them have to. Love the unity, bro. Big up on yourself. Kraff, song bad. The second verse, you go hard on the second verse. Like you normally do. Your clarity is peak. Me hear everything what you say. Nothing go over my head. If you don't say me stop and pause and talk about something, because me no want to do it. You see me? But me hear everything what the G say. So big up yourself, Kraff. Big up your fucking self, dog, and big up the team. Big up the production team, bro. I think this one is produced by the Bodo them / Drop Top Records. Drop Top, big up yourself, Birmingham, England. Big up. You see me? Now or never, like me say, big up. Mixed and mastered by Black Spider. Big up the whole team, bro. Kraff, big up yourself, bro. One Bodo. One bomb buckler, Bodo. You see it? Yeah, we enjoy that one. I see. We're not telling the lie. But there. So, I don't know what to do. If you want to see some more Kraff reactions, look on the screen now. We're going to see some videos up there of Kraff. You can click on them same time. You see me? But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.